You open the app, nothing. You refresh, nothing. You set an alarm for 3 a.m., wake up, bleary-eyed, phone in hand, still nothing. And then you find out your friend, same city, same app, grabbed 3 blocks this morning before breakfast. So what is going on? Are you shadow banned? Is your account broken? Or is something else happening that Amazon is absolutely not telling you about? I spent 3 weeks investigating this. I talked to 27 Flex drivers across 6 different markets. I tested the app at different times of day for 21 straight days. I dug into the bot situation that everyone whispers about, but nobody actually proves. And what I found? It's worse than you think, and also completely fixable if you know what you're dealing with. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly why your Amazon Flex blocks are disappearing. The real reasons, not the Reddit guesses. We're going to cover the priority system Amazon uses that almost nobody talks about. We're going to expose what's actually happening with the bots, because yes, they are real, and I have proof. We're going to go through the best times to be on the app based on 21 days of real data, and I'll show you which markets have the most block availability right now. And at the very end, I'm going to show you one specific thing you can do today that most drivers have no idea about that can immediately improve how many blocks you see. So stay till the end. This one matters. Let's get into it. Reason number 1, Amazon's hidden priority system. Okay, first thing you need to understand, and this one genuinely shocked me when I confirmed it. Amazon Flex does not show all blocks to all drivers equally. There is a tiered priority system, and your position in that system determines what you see and what you don't. Here's how it works. Amazon rates every single Flex driver internally based on 4 things: delivery completion rate, on-time rate, customer feedback score, account standing. Drivers with high scores on all 4 get what's called early access. They see blocks before lower-rated drivers even get a chance to look. I talked to a driver named Marcus in Dallas. He's been doing Flex for 3 years. Marcus, when did you notice your blocks started disappearing?
Honestly, right after I had 2 weeks where I was canceling a lot, personal stuff going on. And then it was like, overnight, the app just went quiet.
Did Amazon tell you anything?
Tell me? Man, Amazon doesn't tell you anything. You just start seeing tumbleweed.
And when you got your completion rate back up,
blocks came back within about 10 days. Not instantly.
That's not a coincidence. That's the system working exactly as designed. So, action step 1. Go into your app right now. Check your delivery history. If your completion rate is below 95% or your on-time rate has dropped, that is priority number 1 to fix. Every cancellation is costing you visibility. Reason number 2, the bot situation. Let's talk about it. Okay, the bots. I know you've heard about them. I know most people say, yeah, they're definitely real, and then provide absolutely zero evidence. So I did something different. I actually talked to someone who used one.
So you actually used a block grabbing bot?
For about 4 months, yeah.
How fast are we talking? How quickly did it grab blocks?
Dude, under 1 second. Literally, I could be watching the same screen and it would grab a block before my thumb even moved.
Under 1 second?
The app would show the block for maybe half a second and it was already gone, already accepted.
What happened eventually?
Account deactivated. No warning, no appeal, just gone. So here's what this means for you as a legitimate driver. You are not competing with slow human fingers at 3 a.m. In high-demand markets, Atlanta, Los Angeles, Dallas, Seattle, Chicago, you are competing with automated software refreshing the API hundreds of times per second. That's not a fair fight, and it's why you feel like blocks vanish before you even see them, because sometimes they literally do. But here's the other side of this. Amazon has been actively banning bot accounts. Kevin's wasn't the only one. Entire waves of bot accounts got wiped in the last year, and when that happens, block availability actually increases temporarily in those markets. So the situation is changing, and the drivers who understand the real game are positioning themselves better because of it. Reason number 3, timing is everything. Here's the real data. Okay, I tracked block availability for 21 consecutive days across 3 markets: Dallas, Atlanta, and Seattle. Same times every day. Here's what the data actually shows. 3 a.m. to 3:30 a.m. This is the single highest window availability. Fresh blocks drop for morning routes. This is when bot accounts are also most active, but it's still your best shot. 9 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. Second best window. Businesses open, logistics teams release additional blocks, moderate competition. 12 p.m. to 12:30 p.m. Blocks drop here for afternoon and evening routes, highly underestimated by most drivers. 4 p.m. to 4:30 p.m. Last major release of the day. High competition, high volume. Now here's what most drivers get wrong. They refresh constantly and randomly all day long. That's exhausting and inefficient. The drivers getting the most blocks consistently are the ones who show up at these specific times, refreshing rapidly for 15 to 20 minutes, then closing the app completely.
I talked to a driver named Priya in Atlanta. 7 months of Flex and 4.9 rating. What's your actual routine?
I wake up at 2:55, app open by 3. I refresh, not like crazy, but steady for about 20 minutes. I usually get something.
And if you don't?
I go back to sleep and try at 9. I stopped doing the all-day refresh thing months ago. It was killing me, and I wasn't getting more blocks anyway.
Best advice for someone who's getting nothing right now?
Protect your rating like your life depends on it, and show up at 3 a.m. That's really it.
Reason number 4. Which markets have the most blocks right now? Based on driver reports and availability data collected across 21 days, here are the markets with the highest current block availability. Highest availability: Phoenix, Las Vegas, Nashville, Charlotte, San Antonio. Why? These markets are expanding. Amazon infrastructure is growing. Driver-to-block ratio still favors the driver. Most competitive, hardest to get blocks: Los Angeles, New York, Dallas, Atlanta, Chicago. If you are in a highly competitive market and grinding daily with no results, this is important information. Some drivers in saturated markets are now registered in adjacent smaller markets within driving distance, completely within Amazon's terms, and finding far better availability there. The thing I promised you. Okay, I said at the start there was one specific thing you can do today that most drivers have no idea about. Here it is. Go to your Amazon Flex app, go to your profile, look at your standing. Now, and this is key, if you have any dings on your account, any at all, contact Flex Support directly, not through the app chat. Email flexsupport@amazon.com. Write a professional, specific message. Acknowledge the issue. Show your current stats. Ask for a standing review. I spoke to 6 drivers who did exactly this. 3 of them had their account standing improved within 2 weeks and reported visible improvement in block availability within 10 days of that. Amazon's system is not locked. It responds to your rating, and your rating responds to your actions. You have more control here than the app makes you feel like you do. Look, I know how demoralizing it is to stare at that empty screen. I've heard it from 27 different drivers over the last 3 weeks. It's not just frustrating. For a lot of people, it's genuinely affecting their income and their stress levels. But now you know what's actually happened. The priority system, the bots, the timing windows, the markets, and the one move you can do today. Use it. If this video finally gave you a real answer, share it with your Amazon Flex group, your partner, your friend who just signed up. They need this information too. Hit like if you learned something today, and subscribe because very soon I'm going deep on how to maximize your income beyond just blocks. Strategies the top 5% of drivers are quietly using that nobody is making videos about yet. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.